In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best bikini trimmers for women in 2026. From waterproof designs and skin-friendly blades to long battery life and precision trimming, these trimmers make personal grooming quick, comfortable, and hassle-free. Number 5. The 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer is designed to help you achieve smooth, confident results anytime, anywhere. This versatile grooming tool features 2 precision trimming heads, making it perfect for bikini line maintenance, facial touch-ups, and other delicate areas. The skin-friendly blades are designed to trim hair efficiently while minimizing irritation, cuts, and discomfort, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. One of its standout features is its waterproof design, allowing you to use it safely in the shower or for easy cleaning under running water. Whether you prefer dry or wet grooming, this trimmer adapts to your routine with ease. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, fitting easily into a handbag, gym bag, or suitcase. Plus, the rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, ensuring it's ready whenever you need it. With easy operation, precision trimming, and a comfortable grip, the 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer offers a hassle-free grooming experience for busy lifestyles. If you're looking for a reliable, portable, and painless grooming solution, this 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer is a must-have addition to your beauty routine. Number 4. The Philips Bikini Genie BRT 381/15 is a compact grooming tool designed to make personal care quick, easy, and comfortable. This lightweight trimmer is specially designed for sensitive areas, helping you trim and shape your bikini line with precision and confidence. Its rounded trimming tips are gentle on the skin, reducing the risk of cuts, nicks, and irritation while delivering smooth results. The Bikini Genie comes with trimming comb attachments that allow you to choose different hair lengths, giving you greater control over your grooming style. Whether you prefer a neat trim or a more detailed shape, this trimmer makes it easy to achieve the look you want. Its cordless, battery-operated design offers maximum flexibility, making it perfect for home use or travel. The compact size fits easily into a handbag or toiletry bag, ensuring you can stay groomed wherever you go. Cleaning is simple thanks to the washable trimming head, helping maintain hygiene after every use. Plus, the ergonomic grip provides comfortable handling for precise control during grooming. If you're searching for an affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly bikini trimmer, the Philips Bikini Genie BRT 381/15 is an excellent choice for effortless personal grooming. Number 3. The Gillette Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer is designed specifically for sensitive areas, helping you achieve a clean, neat look without the discomfort often associated with traditional hair removal methods. This compact grooming tool features skin protective technology that helps minimize irritation, nicks, and cuts while trimming delicate areas. Whether you're preparing for a beach day, vacation, or simply maintaining your personal grooming routine, the Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer makes the process quick and stress-free. Its precision trimming head is designed to navigate curves and hard-to-reach areas with ease, allowing for accurate and controlled grooming. The lightweight, ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it simple to use even for beginners. The trimmer is also portable and travel-friendly, fitting easily into your toiletry bag or purse. With cordless operation, you can enjoy convenient grooming wherever you are without worrying about tangled cords. Built with comfort and convenience in mind, this trimmer offers a reliable solution for maintaining smooth, well-groomed results between salon visits. If you're searching for a gentle, beginner-friendly, and dependable bikini trimmer, the Gillette Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer is an excellent choice for everyday personal care. Number 2. The Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is designed to provide versatile and comfortable grooming for your body and bikini area. This multi-purpose grooming kit comes with specialized attachments that allow you to trim, shape, and maintain different areas with precision. Whether you're tidying up your bikini line or managing body hair, the kit offers the flexibility needed for a customized grooming experience. The skin-friendly trimming system is designed to reduce irritation and discomfort, making it suitable for sensitive areas. Its precision trimmer helps create clean lines and detailed shaping, while the body grooming attachment handles larger areas quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its cordless design, giving you the freedom to groom comfortably without being restricted by cables. The ergonomic grip ensures better control, making it easy to reach and groom difficult areas. Compact and travel-friendly, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit fits easily into your luggage or bathroom drawer, making it perfect for everyday use or vacations. If you're searching for a reliable, convenient, and versatile grooming kit that delivers smooth results with ease, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Panasonic Bikini Trimmer ES Series is designed to give you smooth, comfortable grooming with professional-level control. Engineered with Japanese precision, this trimmer features ultra-sharp, yet skin-friendly blades that gently cut hair without pulling or irritating sensitive skin. It's perfect for shaping your bikini line, trimming unwanted body hair, and maintaining a clean, natural look with confidence. One of its key highlights is the ergonomic, waterproof design, allowing you to use it conveniently in or out of the shower. This makes your grooming routine faster, easier, and more hygienic, while also ensuring simple cleaning after every use. The trimmer also includes adjustable comb attachments, giving you control over different hair lengths so you can achieve your preferred style with ease. Whether you want a close trim or a light touch-up, it adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its compact and lightweight body makes it ideal for travel, while cordless operation ensures complete freedom of movement during use. If you're searching for a reliable, gentle, and high-quality bikini trimmer that delivers consistent results, the Panasonic Bikini Trimmer ES Series is an excellent choice for everyday grooming.